Adjustment. Meaning. Adjustment refers to a small change or modification made to improve something or make it work better. Definition. Adjustment is a noun that describes the process of altering something, usually to adapt to a new situation or to achieve accuracy. Examples in sentences. 1. The tailor made an adjustment to the suit for a better fit. Here, adjustment refers to a minor alteration to improve the suit's fit. 2. After moving to a new city, Rajesh faced a period of adjustment. In this sentence, adjustment refers to adapting to new circumstances. Usage. Adjustment is commonly used when referring to changes in settings, processes, or personal adaptation to new conditions or challenges.
English practice.